Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your SOUNDCORE Dot free. And let's get started with open the application, and the first top trick that you have ANC, this earbud support ANC, so it means active noise cancellation, and you can enable it in the application or by controls. Also we have transparency mode, so if you want to speak with someone, you just enable this mode. You can make it again in the application or by controls, and just speak with someone without removing your earbuds from your ears. Next one, if you want to increase your listening experience, I recommend it to choose some of the equalizer presets, and right here we have a lot. So choose the best one for you, and if you wanna use bass boost, you just enable it right here for the first preset. So if you wanna change it, just click on the second one, and as you can see now it disabled this bass boost mode. Or you can also create your custom preset and make something good for you. Next one, this earbud support dual connection, and we can enable it in the application again, and you can connect two devices to your earbuds without disconnect, without unpair, just connect it and that's it. And also in the application you can disable or enable tone prompts, so just click on the slider and that's it. If you have some trouble with your earbuds, you can just put it to the charging case, and then right here at the bottom we have this connection button, so you just press and hold it for at least 10 seconds until this light starts flashing red 3 times, and you will fix your problem. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!